Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add multiple videos on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once you opened up the TikTok app, just hit at that plus sign to be able to create new video, and now you can hit right here to open up your camera roll, and from here you can select multiple videos. First, right here you can notice that your content sorted into two different tabs, videos and photos. So on videos tab you can scroll down and then just check mark videos that you want to add. In that simple way you can select multiple videos just like that. Then you can hit on next. That moves you to a TikTok video editor, and right here you can tap on edit, and now you are able to edit that video. You can see there are 4 different videos. You can tap at each of them, and in that way you can easily trim it. If you want, you can easily trim each particular video in that way. And also you can split them, you can speed it out, add volume, and once you finished with that, you can just hit on save to save the video. Now you are able to add here some filters and other effects like text, stickers and all that stuff. Once you finished with that, just hit on next, and that will create one video from multiple videos that you uploaded before. And once you hit at post, that video will be uploaded to TikTok. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.